today we are gonna make our own pair of Galaxy shoes. If you want, you can buy a new pair of shoes, but in my case, I'm just using my old pair of boat shoes. They were my favorites, but they've already given up on me, so I'm just peeling off the fall leather. And now I have a pair of naked boat shoes. Yeah, but I just wanted to make sure that they're clean, so I washed them and brushed them before painting on them. Brush, brush, brush. Let them dry, and once they're completely dry, don't forget to cover the sole so you won't have any problem while painting on them. I decided to paint a base coat, and I wanted to be on the darker side, that's why I painted it black. But you can also paint it blue or white if you want. Don't forget to clean the holes. Just let this dry for a few hours and you can start painting your Galaxy. You can use sponge, brush, your finger, or whatever material that you're comfortable with, and just use different hues or shades of blue, gray, white, or light purple. Yeah, anything that you want. I think it's really nice to paint a Galaxy because it doesn't need to be perfect, which is a good excuse for not very excellent painters like me. Basically, you want the center of the Galaxy to be lighter, then you can just build up the color. Right now I'm adding light purple in the middle or at the center of the Galaxy. The light purple will provide contrast once we add the white stars and dots on our shoe. And the dots that we make with a brush tends to be a bit bigger, so try to make it or dot it at the center of the Galaxy. And now we can add the smaller stars. Just get an old toothbrush and dip it in a diluted white paint and just sprinkle away. Just do it randomly. It will turn out well. Don't worry. Then just let the pair of shoes dry, and you can add other details that you want, like new shoelaces or glitters, like what I did. So I got a chunky glitter nail polish and just added it randomly on the shoe. And a shoelace, and don't forget a layer of Podge or emulsion to protect the shoe from water. And that's it. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.